Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send voice messages on Discord. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Discord, and then you need to update Discord application. As you can see that my Discord is up to date. Then you need to click on open, and here you can see that you simply need to open any server for conversation. Okay, so I'm in my general, and here you need to click on this icon and click on hold to record. So once you hold, it will start recording voice. So here you can see that it is now recording my voice. Okay, so this is a simple process by which you can record voice in Discord. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.